Good evening, good morning, good afternoon, good everything, everyone. So welcome again to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in. And today I want to share with you how web pages are created. You always see web pages when you are visiting website like Facebook, YouTube. You are visiting a web page, and I have a web page here. Sorry, my screen is very fast, so when you see my eyes going up and down, I'm just facing that screen there. So whatever goes on this upper part of your browser, whether it is Chrome, Firefox, whatever, this is what we call the head. Okay, this is the head. Okay, whatever goes here, this is the body. Okay, and the whole thing is the whole thing that is inside here, that this is the body of your page. Okay, and to create web pages, we use a language, like the way when you want to communicate with someone. For now, I'm trying to communicate in African translated English. Okay, fine. So the same we have a language that we need to use for us to speak to our browser, and this language is called Hypertext Markup language. Okay, the language is called Hypertext Markup language. So in simple HTML. Okay, so how you do, just open your notepad. This is just a normal notepad, but mine is somehow advanced, but you can use any kind of notepad that you have in your machine. So first you mark your document as HTML by using this opening tags, the less than and the greater than sign, and then to close it, you just open them like that, and you put a forward slash, then HTML. Now you have defined this document as a HTML. Okay, fine, like that. Then we talked about the head, so let's define the head. Yes, and inside our head, I want us to have just one item for now, which is the title of our web page. Okay, title, fine. I hope you can see this. So the title should be our web page. You can write your own thing there. Then here we have the body. This is where the content that we want the user to see goes in. Okay, so we open that tag and close it. So we have our body. Okay, this is our body. The same way when you are writing a composition, for those who wrote composition in high school or in primary school, you had a title. Okay, then you had what do you call the other one? Headings. Then you have the body. Okay, inside the body, this way you can have paragraphs, and in HTML you use p tag to define a paragraph. Okay, so in our paragraph we can say welcome to our web page. Okay, and that is it. Here you have a complete hypertext markup language. To start with HTML. This is what defines this document as a hypertext markup language document. Okay, then the last step is to go to save as. Okay, when you are going to save as, you need to give your website a name, like let me just call this index, then put a .html. Okay, you are changing the type of document which it is, and you want it to be .html. Then save it in your favorite place. For instance, mine will be saved in desktop. Okay, the requirement for this tutorial are just a browser and a text editor. So let's try and open our web page. So here it is. Right click and open it with your favorite browser. Mine is Firefox. and you'll see what we have created. So you can see what we have created. Okay, and actually inside here we can also have what we call a heading. We can have the biggest heading, which is H1. The same way when you have the different sizes of paper that we use. We have A1, A3, A5, and such. Let's give this our web page a title. So you just call it our web page. So we can save it, and you can come here and refresh. You can see that our web page now has a that is a header. Okay, and then we have our paragraph. So simply, that's how web pages are created. So I hope that you have learned something. Actually, web design is the first thing that can welcome you safely into the world of computer science and into the world of programming and in writing script, in writing others. So be blessed and goodbye for now. See you another